Hey there friends, it's Steph from Squishy & Co. And today I'll teach you how to crochet the cross stitch. It's a really simple but fun variation of the standard single crochet, and I used it in the main portion of my free ice cream cozy pattern. The pattern is available on my website at squishyandco.com, and I will link it down below for you. One important note before we start: in order to get a uniform look to this stitch, it can only be worked in the round. So let's get to it. Today I'm working with worsted weight yarn and an H hook. And to begin, I'm going to start with a chain of 25. You can start with as many or as few as you would like, but just remember that we are going to have to join this in the round. All right, we have our chain of 25, and we're just going to join this in a loop with a slip stitch. From here, you'll chain one and insert your hook into that first chain. Now here's the trick. So normally you would yarn over to do a single crochet, but for this we're going to yarn under. So yarn under your hook, draw up a loop, and then yarn over your hook and draw through two. All right, again in the next chain, insert your hook, yarn under, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through two. Next, yarn under, yarn over. One more time into the next chain, under, over. And we are going to repeat this all the way through the round, and then we'll join with a slip stitch to the first stitch of this round. So here we are at the end of the round, and I am just going to join with a slip stitch, chain one, and then we will repeat that. So insert your hook, yarn under, and yarn over, under, over. As you go along and your brain gets used to the back and forth, this does become a bit quicker, and I think it's a lot of fun for a variation of what can sometimes be a boring stitch. So you can see here we have these little crosses forming, and it just adds some more fun texture. So you'll just continue on in this manner until your piece reaches the desired length. And that is it. Again, if you're interested in the free ice cream cozy pattern, it is linked down below. And I'd love for you to drop me a comment and let me know what else you may have made. So as always, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.